Hello, and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to make the jacksepticeye 3D model that I have designed in Maya. It's a 4-piece design. It's supposed to be here's the stand for the jacksepticeye. This is for the newer version, the last version that I'm actually printing out right now. And this is the former model stand. I had some issues, so it's broken, but as you can see, it fits nicely into this, and it's supposed to. This is a bit longer, so and this hole is too short for this stand, so it won't sit, but you see, it's supposed to be like that, resting on the stand. It rests on this stand, but yeah. And the reason why it's 4-piece is because most of us people that have 3D printers, we don't have dual extruders or more. we usually have one, so it's just easier to print out each individual pieces. These are the iris and this is the pupil, so the idea is to put these two pieces together, right, and finally putting it into the eyeball like this. It's there. So we can print out the different colors: the green one, the blue one, and finally the black one. And you'll have this eye. Hopefully everything will go fine with these new parts that I've printed, or I'm printing right now. This is a small model. It's this. Everyone is printed from this basic, or I just scaled it down. Hopefully everything will go fine. I'm going to show you. Oh, oh, you can see the blue shimmering from the screen. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm gonna show you the design in Maya with my phone. This is the model that I currently have in Maya, so it should look like. This is a bit hard. I really need to use my keyboard. Well, so you can see, that's the 4 pieces, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you. I think. Oh crap. Hey again. And I actually printed out I'm actually finished printing out jacksepticeye, and did a little bit of cleaning, but I didn't have to do really much. But I overdone. I did overdo the pupil, so I actually had to glue that one in place. But I have done test prints of very same model, and I know you can just sandpaper it down a little bit after print just to get off the rough edges, and it should fit neatly inside of the iris, so you actually don't need to glue any parts of this this model if you do the cleanup carefully. Anyway, this is the model, as you can see. I know the eyeballs in real life actually has this, what shall I call it? Well, I'm going to call it a tail on the jacksepticeye, but it's not actually a tail. Anyway, I made this out from the picture of the actual logo to jacksepticeye, and that's also why I made this tail sort of thing come out from the side instead of the back, because when you take it over the jacksepticeye logo, it actually lines up pretty good. So it's a medium poly quality or finish on this, so it's not entirely smooth, but I kind of like it is, and when I was trying to smooth it even more, I got some problems with the mesh, so I think that should be it. I might just make another one later on, and this is the stand for a jacksepticeye, so okay, just voila. Or also made a green one, but that one kind of got a little defect in it. It does work, but no. So I'm going to add some good quality photographs in the end of this video, so you can watch in better quality the print itself. So thank you for watching this video, and hope you liked it. Leave suggestions for what I shall print next or what I shall model. Please share a link to some STL files or models that you've found or anything, really, and hopefully I'll see you later. Bye.